Hello, my name is Gerald Skelton and I am in Fundamentals of Physics Online. The experiment I'm going to be doing today is called the floating needle. The materials needed for this experiment are a glass or plastic bowl filled about 3/4 full, a sewing needle, sewing thread, masking tape, and a magnet. What you're going to want to do next is take your sewing thread and cut a little longer than 12 inches of string on your bowl, depending on how wide your bowl is, and take a sewing needle after you have taped those threads onto the bowl and pulled them taut across it. Take your needle and place it on top of your thread. Very gently, because you do not want it to fall into the water. Then, as carefully as you can, lower the needle down onto the water, and it might help with a little bit of quickness to pull the threads away from the needle. Now, I actually found out a little late that my magnet was not strong enough. So I got another one right there. But what you're going to want to do is make sure you do have a strong enough magnet and take your magnet and run it near your needle. And you can see that it moves around without you touching it, and it dances along the surface edge. Now, the surface of the water kind of acts like a thin layer of skin almost. It sits there and it supports the needle due to the surface tension and the molecules of the water and their repelling of this needle. So what we were able to see was a needle floating on top of the water due to the attraction of the water molecules, creating a surface tension and left the needle floating, which you could then change its direction and move it around with a magnet. My name is Gerald Skelton. Thank you for watching.